Importing a Japanese star brand CNC machine to process an external tube head for a medical device. The raw material used is SUS30 for stainless steel. Let's guess the weight of the finished product. If you know your stuff, the machine model is SB2O Typeg. We started with turning using the DGT11030 cutting tool. Let's take a look at the processing procedure. We use a 4.0 end mill for milling. Next, we drill the center hole and side holes. Use a center drill to spot the side holes. After that, we perform side washing of the holes. With this step completed, side hole processing is complete. We move on to end milling, where we need to mill straight grooves. But it's not finished yet. We move on to end milling, where we need to mill straight grooves. At this point, there is only one final step left. Finally, we proceed to cutting. The backshaft then aligns the material. And there you have it, a perfectly produced external tube head. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.